N.J. Sullivan, we manufacture metal parts for a wide variety of industries, whether it's electrical construction, utilities, aerospace, defense, or medical equipment. Oftentimes the parts we manufacture require a finish. One of the best finishes to apply is powder coat. Today we're going to take a look out in the shop, which is always fun to go out in the shop and see what's being made, and see certain parts that are being powder coated. We'll kind of walk you through the process, explain how it works, and show you from start to finish something that's been powder coated. Okay, here we are out in the shop. As I mentioned earlier, it's always cool to see what's being made at the shop here at N.J. Sullivan. These particular parts are for a data center here in Loudoun County. They are used to route cables over top of the server rack in the data center. There's miles and miles of cable in every data center, and these racks will support those cables. So, this particular customer, we powder coat these cable racks blue. We'll take you through the process here in a minute. The first thing we do is hang them on a metal rack. So the metal parts have to be hung on a metal rack supported by a metal hook. All the metal will be grounded here in a minute, and we'll show you how that works. Right now, Jeremy's applying plugs to the metal stands to block where powder can't adhere. After the metal parts are hung on the rack, we roll it into the spray booth and attach the cables to make sure we have a good ground. Once we have a good ground, the powder is in the gun, and the electrostatic charge will let the powder stick to the metal. Here at N.J. Sullivan, we have 3 large Wisconsin powder coat ovens. The largest one is 24 foot long, which allows us to put material up to 30 feet long at an angle to bake on a nice powder coat. Once the powder's been applied to the metal, it'll be rolled into the oven, temperature set to 380 degrees. 50 minutes later, out pops the donuts. So after 50 minutes in the oven on 380 degrees, we take the frames out and let them dry. Finished product. Pretty cool.